and we came to have 2 yoga classes in the morning with George at the Iyengar Yoga Center. Let's go, let's enjoy these asana classes in the morning. So guys, we just finished our both classes. We did 2 classes in the morning here at the Iyengar Yoga Center of Hong Kong. Thanks to G. And now we are heading out to have some juice. Wait for our good teacher and friend George to go out for food with us. Dumplings? Yeah. Nice. Big dumplings. Able to look Destiny girl's face. So happy. Okay guys, we just finished our food at this place called Kind Kitchen. Before here was the Oval Cafe, and now is this place called Kind Kitchen. The food was delicious. They still have the Beyond Meat vegan burger, and now we moved to the side place called Green Common to make some vegan grocery. Let's go. Let's check it out what the place has to offer our stomach. Destiny girl just got the Happy Cow. Which flavor, baby?
Salted caramel.
Salted caramel. There you go. Huh? And look at this fridge, full of veganishness. Vegan pizza, vegan burger patties, vegan pasta. Amazing place. Last time we came here, we did some intense shopping. Almond milk, vegan, all kinds of vegan cheese, cheddar, smoked Gouda. Woo, there you go. Vegan mayonnaise. Vegan. Got my new present hands, and now time for vegan grocery.
For detailed information about everything you saw in the video, make sure to check the link below to our blog. And stay tuned for more of Hong Kong. Bye!